Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. Alright, today's videos we're going to do two things, actually three things. First one, I want to show you my entire collection of stitch pens that I recently started collecting, and I want to show you my brand new stitch pen backpack. Oh my god, I ordered that from Mercari. I just received today. I'm blown away. And at the end of the videos, I want to show you a giveaway. So stay tuned and don't go away. There's a chance you're gonna win something fabulous from Disneyland. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here. Turn on the notification bell so you know the date and time I release my video. Alright, so I gotta tell you something real quick. This is my second time filming this video because I recently discovered I'm having some problem with my Sony ZV-1. The quality is not very clear. And I'm not expert on camera, so I need to wait for Uncle Don come back from business trip and help me to figure it out. So I kind of need to refilm this again. So there will be something kind of feel like missing a little bit, and I hope you understand that. Okay, so first I want to show you the brand new stitch pen backpack that I purchased from the Mercari. Are you ready? Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so much more bigger than I expected. I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller, but when I received this is humongous. And tag's still here. And it's made by this company called, hold please, by this company called Collector Pens, ITA. Yeah, I don't know what ITA means. But basically, it's a backpack that allows to showcase the pens. Now I'm start thinking that maybe they made other character pen backpacks I can buy, then I can collect the pens. And when I go to Disney, I wear a different character bag. And that'll be so awesome, right? Okay, so what is this here? Let me show you. So when you open this, there's a pretty big space in here. There's a back pocket right here. There's actually one thing I want to share with you. I'm going to show you the back right now, okay? Because like I told you, this is my second time filming this video. And it takes a lot of time to put the pens on. So I don't want to redo this again, but I just want to give you an idea. So the backpack also comes with a little pen ball right here. And this actually fits inside like this. You can actually put pens on here, which I'm going to show you what I'm doing. What's really cool is the front pockets. When you open this up here, it's a stitch right here, right? You can literally slide this in the front so it will showcase your pens. Later, I'm going to turn this around to show you guys what I put in there. So look at this. This is really, really cute though. The stitches here, two-tone in here. He's very happy. I don't know what's the little hook right here because maybe people put stuff in there like stuffed animal. I'm not sure, but I will figure it out when I go to Disney. And the back is just like a backpack like that. So I'm really, really happy. And I think this person listed this for $60 and made the offer for $55 and they accept the offer. And shipping was $6, so I got it for under $62. Really, really nice. I am so happy. I started collecting pens last year. It kind of just like, you know, buying whatever I like. There's really no particular style that I'm looking for. And then just recently, I kind of discovered that I really like Stitch because it's so cute, so adorable. Not to mention, I think Stitch pens has it holds the most value. Of course, if I'm wrong, please correct me because I'm not the professional pen trader. I'm just beginner right now. I just kind of feel that's how it feels right now. So I want to show you the pen board here. By the way, like I say, a lot of pens already been transferred here. So the only small amount is in here. So this is what I've been collecting for the last couple weeks. And I want to thank my pen trading community friends. They are so amazing. Some of them trade some amazing pens with me. And I recently purchased the Tokyo Stitch pen from Mercari. That video is already up on YouTube. So if you want to take a look what I bought, definitely take a look. Great, great value. Let me tell you this. One of the pen I pens that I purchased is a Stitch 20-year celebration. It's a 3 pieces in there. And I just went on eBay. That pen's actually selling for over $100. Oh my God, I scored big on that one. So, but anyway, yeah, that's really, really cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what I put in here right now, okay? So right here, I have this big Stitch right here and his girlfriend here with a palm tree. It is so cute. You can see I have all the Elvis pins. This is also from Tokyo Disney. There are total 4 of them. And it was, so this is the one, the watercolor pins. That is the 20th anniversary pins from Disney too. And I also have some of the pen I traded for my friends. They are so cute. This particular one right here, I thought was a pen. This comes with this ball right here. It cannot be removed, it's a glue on, but you know, it's still very cute. Look at this one right here. I actually had a hard time to figure out which pens to put on here. The reason why you see there's a lot of empty space right here is, let me show you why. When you put this in here, let me zip this up. See, this is being covered, so you can't see the pen. So I really need to put it right over in this area. So I have the focal point right here and the pens around it. This is so cute. What do you think about this? I think this is so cute. And you know what? I can't wait to go to Disney and rock this. And people be like, oh my God, that's so cute. Where did you get it? I'll be like, because I'm a pen collector now. So silly. I'm by far a pen collector, okay? I'm a son of my friend. They are true pen collector. I'm just collecting small things right here. So yeah, I really, really love this. What do you think about this? It's a good idea? Okay, now let's talk about giveaway. I did a giveaway last week and it was a great response. Everybody won that Mickey basket. So I went back to Disney, the 2 towns, and I got another one. Oh my God! Now you have a chance to win this basket. This is so cute, look at this. So you can put your hand in the Mickey's glove right here. It's like holding this like that. And then let me show you. It's literally a real basket. You can put it right here. You can put your little soda, little fruit, little candy in here. And look at this design right here. Is that cute? And that's represent a blanket coming out. And then you move this back. See, this actually move forward, backward like that. Little ants right here eating the snack on your blanket. You open it right here, you can put stuff in here. There's another ants right here. So now let's take a look how you're gonna win this giveaway. And give me an idea, do you think that I should buy another bag like this, but in different character? I actually went online to look. I don't really see that many character pins, backpack. If you know, please let me know. So I'm looking for example, like this, but has Winnie the Pooh or, you know, different character. So I can collect that character pins in here. So if you know the link or you know somebody selling that, send it over to me. I want to buy it. I think it'll be so cute and go to Disney like this. All right, before I go, make sure that you check out my skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. You can use my personal discount code STEVE15 to receive a 15% off on our website. I want to let you guys know that there's so many ways that you can support small business like me. It doesn't mean you have to buy the product. Simply follow our social media, Yibu Beauty, and share our social media to your friends and family. That will mean so much. So please help me out, support my small business. That means so much to me and our team. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and/or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.